After creating the property and its units, now we can move on to the floor plans. In order to create floor plans, in the properties module, we have to click floor plans. Here we have to click plus create floor plans in the top right corner. Then I can simply drag and drop the floor plan here, or I can click this and upload my floor plan. After uploading the floor plan, this will be the view of my screen. Now I can map the units here. For that I have to enable plus draw units. Now I can map or draw the units here. So let's draw a unit here. This is a meeting room. First I have to select the property, then I have to select the specific unit. I will select meeting room. Then I will select its floor. Now I have to select the specific unit. So it is meeting room 401. Now I can place this unit here. Now I have to click this place unit. As you can see, this unit is placed here. Now in order to save this floor plan, I just have to click save. This is how you can map your units in a floor plan. Now if you want to view your floor plan, you can click this. Here are all the floor plans or all the units which are mapped on a single floor plan. When I hover my mouse over these floor plan units, I can see their names, their numbers, and whether if they have any booking complaints or tasks related to them. Specifically related to this specific unit on this specific floor, I can view them here.